For automobiles, office chairs, living rooms, at the kitchen, at a park bench, wherever you need to have a back massager. We're going to open up the box, show you how nicely these things are packed inside the box. As we move out of the box, we have our back massager. The key features are located on the side as well as online. The unit can be turned on. It has different modes and different intensities and speeds and localized with heat. As we open up the product, this one has a purple bag. USIN Hazardous is the brand. As we open up, it is packaged in plastic. Please remove all plastic. It is like a felt-like material, soft cloth. The design and opening up to show you what it looks like. The instructions and information provided. The controller with the small LED window, the on, the modes, the intensity, the heat, and so forth. We have the instruction guide, and we have a 12-volt adapter with a special DIN plug. And also we have for the AC plugged in. Changing out as simple as unplugging and plugging in to a 12-volt source. Up to 20 different types of patterns on the unit. As we fold over, you can see that you strap with the elastics around the chair, and on the side you place in the remote control. It is expandable and fits in like so. When placing on the seat, we'll demonstrate and show you what the unit will look like and how it sets up. We have the unit set up to a power bank. It shows OF for off, 10 for on, and you can hear it and see it moving in the vibration of the unit. We have mode F1, F2, F3, F4, 5, 6, 7, 8, AU, and back to F1. We have the intensity of 52 to 59 and back to 51. And we have the speeds of L4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, back to 1 through 10. We have a location of P1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, F1, back to P1. And then we have the heating of 9, high, H2, 3, and back to 0. And then we have 2O for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and off. It has a timer. Depending on your chair, simply place on the base with the two upper straps. Simply go over the chair and you're ready for use. It's stretchable up to about 30 inches or more. Push to the back, and you have your control and plug into the power. Massager, simply place into an automobile by putting on the headrest and plugging into the outlet. You have yourself your back seat massager. Simply fold up when not in use for travel, transport. It comes with a carrying bag that has a zipper. Fit in. Your back seat massager for all your needs. In the recliner, in the car, on an office chair. Take it with you wherever you need to have heat, massage, intensity, and different modes. 8-mode back massager. Enjoy your product if this is right for you. On the base of the massager is an elastic strap that goes around as well. Plug in the unit to 110 or DC and push back the chair seat. Your massager, the back, the base, The control from 10 minutes to 30 minutes of massaging. Different levels of heat, different levels of massaging and modes and intensity. Your massager will fit in a car chair, office chair, a kitchen chair, or simply lay it on a recliner or sofa. Your massaging levels, different areas, all over, your heat, in the back, massage, and all vibration.